Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. By the look of this today, you can tell that you're going to get some seasoned blend of some sort. Today I'll be giving you the recipe for some Jamaican jerk sauce, some Jamaican jerk marinade, jerk rub, whatever you call it. Really nice.
Girl, you better can cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Alright peeps, lots of things going on here, but don't worry, I'll tell you what each ingredient is as I go along and how much of each I'll be using. So first things first, you're going to need a really powerful blender, or you can use a food processor. If you don't have a powerful blender or a food processor, add your ingredients to your regular blender a little at a time. So here you're going to need about quarter cup of chopped ginger. Make sure your ginger is nice and clean. I left the skin on my ginger. You can remove the skin from yours if you so desire. And the ginger is the hardest, so I'm just adding it first because it's close, it will be closer to the blade. So next I'm going in with one large onion. Now this is red onion. It doesn't change the flavor when I use red onion or the one with the brown outer coating like what we probably have in Jamaica. But hey, I haven't seen that brown onion or white onion in over 2 years, so I use what I have. Flavor still amazing. Next I'm going in with some thyme leaves. You can use, well, I'll be using just 10 sprigs of the thyme. I'm just putting in the thyme just like that. Just wash it and add it. Ensure you're not adding any other roots in, of course, but just wash your thyme, add your thyme in. You don't need to remove it from the little stalks that it has or the little stems. Next I'm going in with 8 cloves of garlic. Then I rough chopped 15 stalks of scallion. Yes, it might seem like a lot, but I'm kind of making a lot of sauce because I'm giving these to my friends. Here I have 3 dozen pimento seeds. Yes, I counted them. Next I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You need some liquid to get this blender going. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. This is corn oil. You can use coconut oil or the oil of your choice. Next I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Do not add more, you don't want this to be sweet. Then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This will help to preserve it. Next I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of molasses. This is for flavor as well as color. I like to see my jerk sauce a bit dark, so when I add it to my meat or so on, I don't need to add like extra browning or caramel. So here is a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Next guys, I'm going in with 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. These, they have the seed in it because I like my jerk sauce with some heat in it. It should be kicking a little. Only 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. If you don't like the heat guys, remove some of the seeds. Next I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper for taste. Next you just cover your blender, and all mine can just blend at once because the blender is powerful. I just need to use this thing to push it down, and then that will be fine for me. So just cover that well, start blending, and in no time my blender will chop this up. As I was saying about the pepper guys, yes, jerk seasoning or jerk marinades should have a little pepper in it or should be spicy, but if you don't like it spicy, then you don't need to add a lot of pepper in it. You can make it mild. Just remove the seeds because the seeds carry the heat, and add the other part to your seasoning. So look at this, in no time my blender is chopping this up nicely. So normally some people their jerk marinades, it's a little chunky, they don't blend it all the way, but I like mine nice and really smooth. That's just me. If you want yours to have like some little chunks in it of the seasonings, then you don't need to blend it until it's really smooth. Now this is really nice flavor, really nice, but I don't like the color so much, so I'll be adding a teaspoon more browning to it. Blend it all up, and then voila, this is how it looks. Really nice flavor, guys. I'm telling you, you can just add some of this right on some wings with some more powdered seasoning, stick them in your oven, and everything will be nice and ready. Trust me, this jerk marinade, really nice. If you don't want to call it authentic Jamaican jerk sauce or jerk marinade because I used the red onions, then that's okay. All you need to do is switch to red onions for the brown coat onion, but the flavor, trust me, the flavor will remain the same. Excellent. Really nice jerk sauce. Here I just added some to some wings and made some really nice oven jerked wings. And this is it. The color perfect, really nice and smooth, just how I like it. So let me know in the comment section how you like your jerk marinade or your jerk rub, if you like it with some chunks in it or you like it very smooth like I do. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Until next video.